Okay, so about 6 years ago, I did a video about the proper way to eat a Vienna sausage. And in that video, I affectionately called them snossages. And you know, that video got over 102,000 views. I don't know how, but since I'm home rehabbing my shoulder, I figured this was a good time for an update. Okay, so I don't know whether you guys remember that video, but here we go. We got a can of Vienna sausages, and the old video that I did, I'm going to put a little short clip of that on the screen right now. It was just about eating some Armour Vienna sausages. These ain't even Armour. These are Brookdale. I never heard of Brookdale, and I got these at Aldi. So this is like the budget Vienna sausage. But, you know, they're still good. They still taste the same. They all taste like shit until you doctor them up a little bit. But they all generally taste the same. The price now is really, really close. These I got at Aldi's for 79 cents a can. I think they were like 49 cents or 50 cents a can like 6 years ago. You know, emergency food usefulness, wonderful. Protein value, this little can has 16 grams of protein. So, you know, little trail food or a little snack in the afternoon. These are really, really good. Would I still keep these around? 155,000%. I'm always going to have 3 or 4 cans of these in my pantry. So let's get down and I'll show you how I fix these, and I'll show you my favorite way to fix them up. Okay, so y'all can do this however you want, but here's the way I do it. First of all, you got to open the can because they're hard to get out there if you ain't got the can open. And you could do it one of two ways. You could pour the broth out, or you could drink it. On the last video, I drank it, and it's nothing but chicken broth. That's where most of the sodium comes from. So if you're out and you're hiking and you're sweating, drink the broth. It ain't that bad. But if you don't have to, we're not going to drink it today. All right? And that's all we do. We'll put that aside. Now you open the can. And now you get to see the deliciousness that is contained inside. Okay, I like to do a couple of things. The first thing I like to do is put some good old Louisiana hot sauce on there. And y'all know me, just a drop. So you put some in there until it's kind of covered. Shake it around a little bit. And the hot sauce is going to go down in the can to the bottom of the can. And it's going to coat the sides of the sausages in hot sauce. Now, we put some barbecue sauce on there. I got Sweet Baby Ray's. And we just put some barbecue sauce on there. And here's how you get it down in the can. First of all, you just kind of get it so it's even on the top. Get down there. All right, so they're all coated on the top. Now you just tap the can. And some of it will come up, but just tap the can, just like that. Ooh, man, and babies are all coated. And now they are ready. So let's go up and give these a test. All right, now we have our wonderful Vienna sausages ready to eat. So how do we eat these? The last video, I ate them with a fork. But the proper way to do it is to use the ever-present toothpick in a southerner's mouth to get them out there and eat them. And y'all in the South, we usually get a toothpick in our mouth because you never know when you might find something that you need to use to eat with it. So here you go. You just kind of coat it around and you get something that looks like that. All right, so let's try it. My good. Now you can dunk it back in there and get some more hot sauce on the end. You guys don't know. And the toothpick is the best way, by the way. Man. All right, I'm gonna finish these, and then I got a secret for you at the end when you're done with them. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. We got the last one. Man, it's great. Now, I don't know if y'all can see, but in the can, you got some excess hot sauce and barbecue sauce on there. So what are we gonna do with that? All right, if you didn't drink the juice, then you can't waste all that deliciousness in there. So now's the time to do it. Oh man, that's nothing but barbecue sauce and hot sauce. Now here's the best part. You gotta take your finger and you gotta get what's left in the can, because none of this will be wasted. We are almost we're almost out. That's good enough. So yes, I still like Vienna sausages. Yes, I still eat them the same way. You can use the hot sauce of your choice. You can use barbecue sauce. You can use ketchup. You can use mustard. You know, just be creative in what you want to put in the can. And you can even buy the flavored ones now, like the barbecue flavored sausages and all that kind of stuff. They didn't have these a long time ago, but they got them pretty good. Man, I feel that hot sauce coming out. But that is an update on a timeless classic, how Southern boys eat Vienna sausages. Once again, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, go down and hit the subscribe button. Remember to give me a big old thumbs up and tell me in a comment what you think of my recipe and how you like to have your Vienna sausages. So, once again, coming to you from my garage while I'm upgrading, or not upgrading, I'm rehabbing my shoulder. This is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.